Hi, it's Karen at RT Systems. Let's learn a little more about the FTM-6000. Few of the gotchas that we discovered while testing the programmer that I just don't want you to have to suffer with. We have the radio here. It's in VFO mode, VM. Now it's in memory mode, PMG. Now it's in my programmable memories. This is a real gotcha on this radio. I'm turning this counterclockwise and notice it's not changing. When I turn it clockwise, I can see that I have frequencies in my programmable memories. I have 4 of them. And remember, at any time I can push and hold the knob and I change from frequency to name if there's a name available. But I'm in my PMs and I only have 4 channels. So how do I get out of there? I press the PMG again and I'm back to either memory or VFO. I'm back to what I left. So if I was in VFO, I return to VFO and I just press the VM key to go into memory. These are just touches. They are not long holds. I'm going to turn this to one of my limit memories. Notice this is LO1. And I'm going to push and hold my PMG. Notice the top of the display change to 5 p.m. That's where it is. It's in number 5 of the programmable memory group. I think Yaesu calls this the primary memory group. I call it the programmable memory group. It's a PMG. So that's what the key says. It's a PMG. But this is what I want you to see. And it's interesting because now I'm turning the same way I turned a minute ago and nothing's changing. But if I turn backwards, I step through my PM channels. When I get to 1, it stops and then it goes the other way. Press the VM key to return to the VFO. I'm sorry, to return to the memory channels. Press PM to return to the PM channels, to those 5. It's like having a bank. Oh, and one other thing. This radio programs with the SCU-20 from Yaesu or the USB 77 from RT System. It does not program with an SD card. And it does not program with the cable that comes in the box with the radio. That's for firmware updates. So keep that in mind when you're getting what you need for this radio. This is Karen, KD4DXX. And remember, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. 73s.